A cracked or chipped windshield can be a frustrating and potentially dangerous issue, but you don't always have to rush to the auto repair shop to get it fixed. With the Advancements repair kits, you can now handle minor windshield damages right at home, saving both time and money. In this video, we will introduce you to the best windshield repair kits on the market, designed to help you fix your windshield like a pro. Number 1. Rain X Windshield Repair Kit. If you have ever dealt with annoying chips or cracks in your windshield, you know how frustrating and potentially dangerous they can be. But with this Rain X Windshield Repair Kit, you might just have the perfect solution at your fingertips. It's a universal fit, which means it's suitable for any vehicle. You can get the job done in just minutes with minimal steps. Whether you are dealing with a small chip or a longer crack, this kit has got you covered. Key features: stops chips and cracks, preventing further damage. Easy to use with a complete kit and quick steps. Strengthens windshield, suitable for all laminated windshields. Use immediately after damage. Keep the crack clean. Number 2. Permatex Windshield Repair Kit. The Permatex Windshield Repair Kit is designed to provide permanent airtight repairs for bullseye damage on most laminated windshield glass. It's a universal fit, making it suitable for a wide range of vehicles. This professional-grade kit offers an easy-to-use system that requires no mixing, ensuring a quick and mess-free application. If you are a DIY enthusiast, or just someone looking to save some money on car repairs, this kit might be exactly what you need. Key features: fixes bullseye damage up to 1 to 1/4 inches on most laminated windshields. No mixing required, quick and effective. Includes everything needed for the repair with clear instructions. Spring lock feature for professional quality repairs. Repairs bullseyes, star damage, and chips up to 2.75 inches in minutes. Number 3. LXPVSA Windshield Repair Kit. If you have ever faced those pesky chips or cracks on your windshield, you know how frustrating and costly it can be to get them fixed. That's why products like the LXPVSA Windshield Repair Kit are such a game changer. This kit promises to quickly and efficiently repair damages, saving you both time and money. Key features: fixes small windshield damages in 20 minutes. Enhanced resin with high shear strength for lasting repairs. Simple process with no mixing required. Effective on various types of cracks and chips up to 12 inches. Includes 2 repair fluids, curing films, repair device, and more. Number 4. BLUTOKS Windshield Repair Kit. The BLUTOKS Windshield Repair Kit is specifically designed to address all types of laminated windshield cracks and chips. If you have ever had the misfortune of a cracked windshield, you know how frustrating and costly it can be to replace. But what if there was a cost-effective, time-saving solution that you could use yourself? Enter this windshield repair kit that promises to fix cracks and chips, saving you both time and money. Key features: repairs various glass surfaces, fixes multiple damage types, repairs in 2 to 4 minutes, cheaper than replacing the windshield, includes instructions and tools. Number 5. Auronp Windshield Repair Kit. The Auronp Windshield Repair Kit is a fantastic solution for anyone looking to fix their windshield quickly and efficiently without spending a fortune. With its upgraded formula and user-friendly design, it's a must-have for every car owner. That means you can save both time and money, all while restoring your windshield to near new condition. Key features: repairs small damages in 20 minutes, high shear strength and enhanced syringe design, simple step-by-step process, suitable for various types of cracks and chips. Thanks for watching. Choose one of these highly recommended kits, and you will be back on the road with a clear, safe windshield in no time. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a future video. Thanks for tuning in, and happy building!